Stop by and take a look at the 2019 Nissan Rogue. The stylish Rogue gets 27 mpg and still boasts nearly 58 cubic feet of cargo space. With a 5-star side impact safety rating and confident handling, the Rogue is more than you expect and everything you deserve. This vehicle has less than 20,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: power liftgate, traction control, leather-wrapped steering wheel, dual airbags, alloy wheels, power steering, 4-wheel disc brakes, center armrest, CD player, electronic stability control, trip computer, heated front seats, security system, power windows, rear window defroster, remote keyless entry, outside temperature gauge, tachometer, overhead console. If affordable style and reliability are what you're looking for, this vehicle couldn't be more perfect. Drive it today.